Good morning, guys. Postman's been. Don't know whether he couldn't find a doorbell or something, but he left it round by the water butt. Still, at least he left it. We didn't have to go and collect it. Wrapped and double wrapped. For what's in here, I think this is way over the top. If this is what I think it is, it's inspired by watching another BigClive.com video. No, it's not the one from the Big Clive video. This is the replacement lenses for that little camera I'm working on that somebody stood on and crushed. So hopefully we'll be able to replace the lens. I bought two because the postage was quite expensive. I think the lens was less than the postage, so I thought, well, I'll buy two of them because that will save me ordering another one at some time in the future. So, that'll be today's project. We'll be going out for our midday snack in a minute, so I shan't start it now. Oh, that's a surprise. That wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So you'll have to wait and find out what the Big Clive inspired video is all about. Well, on the positive side, I've just found where I put the bits for the camera. So that's half the battle, because when I take things apart and put them in boxes, I usually forget where I put them. So we should be able to put that back together with a bit of luck. But we are going out, so that'll be later. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.